Welcome to Yard Culture, where transforming your outdoor dreams into reality is as simple as counting to 5. Step 1. Schedule a complimentary discovery phone call. Our landscape experts are eager to hear your ideas and assist you in visualizing the ideal garden space. Step 2. Select the plan that matches your style and budget. Starting at just $990, our packages include everything you need, from comprehensive 2D plans to stunning product visuals. Additionally, you have the option to personalize your design by incorporating extras, such as 3D images or lighting plans. Step 3. Complete your homework. Follow our straightforward videos to provide photos, videos, and dimensions of your yard. This aids our designers in bringing your vision to life, while also saving you money. Step 4. Book a design consultation to ensure we are on the right track to design the landscape of your dreams. Our team will meticulously review everything to ensure your complete satisfaction. Step 5. Sit back and relax while our talented designers work their magic. In just 21 days, your bespoke design will be delivered directly to your inbox, accompanied by an easy-to-follow explainer video. Yard Culture. You bring the yard, we bring the culture. Visit us at yardculture.com.au to embark on your journey today.